Oh my freaking goodness. I think that's pretty much what we're all saying right now, because honestly, just what the actual heck is this? I mean, does this even look normal to you? Do you see this in any other, graph that represents some kind of asset? Not really. I mean, maybe sometimes. Oh, actually, you do. It's called Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at $9,127, up approximately 20% in the last 20 hours, with $31 billion in volume, which is probably, actually, if I can confirm that, the highest volume of Bitcoin in the last, 6 months. So yeah, instantly everyone was starting to lose hope after going down about 20% over the course of, the last 3 months, and then we gained that back in about 20-something hours. And that's Bitcoin right now. And actually, sadly, I got out of a big Bitcoin holding right here, right before this started taking off. I took out, a big portion of my Bitcoin in my actual, ledger, just to use it for something else. And literally, 2 hours later, I woke up and then I saw, this. And then I was just like, oh my freaking goodness, man. I mean, come on, really? It just had to happen now. But anyways, yeah, that's a thing. Bitcoin is up 21%. What's going on with this freaking market cap? What is going on with cryptocurrency? Okay, because seriously, everything is in the green. This is reminiscent back to 2018. I'm feeling nostalgic right now. It's like non-flashbacks, except good, you know what I'm saying? Bitcoin Cash is up 23%. XRP, not as up as I wanted it to be. I mean, freaking Litecoin's going crazy as well. And pretty much everything is, I mean, nothing's losing, almost, except Tether, obviously. People are getting their stuff out of Tether and going back into Bitcoin, because that's where most of the volume is coming from, not actually outside. But the reason for this, or at least something I found that was interesting, actually, I'll talk about that right after this. For a second here, you could have made more gains with Tether, according to CryptoMarketCap, than with actual Bitcoin itself. So let that sink into your brain for a second, but then all of a sudden, well, this happened, so we have nothing to worry about. Bitcoin jumps 12% in one day as China's XI embraces blockchain. Now, China, obviously, as you guys know, pretty much tried to ban cryptocurrencies and, as it says, crypto coin exchanges in 2017. And now they're all of a sudden changing their mind, and they're saying stuff like, we must take the blockchain as an important breakthrough for an independent innovation. So that's really good. Is that the reason why Bitcoin jumped up to approximately $9,000? I have no idea. But a key point of resistance was broken right through right here. Or at least a key point, yeah, pretty much a key point of resistance. Because right as this dropped in, right as this dropped right down here, I wish I could pull up my actual, technical graph. But I actually don't have that open right now because I wanted to just whip out this video as quickly as I possibly could since of how high the price is going up. Right when it broke down in this region here, actually, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and open it up anyways. So, right as it dropped right here, under this point, if we can just go back 1 week, right as it dropped here, I was like, yeah, this is it, man. We're no longer in the bull market, man. This is the end of it. We are now in the bear market. And we're going to have an actual regression down to possibly all-time lows. But now we're up to here, as it currently says. And quite frankly, the last resistance lines that we broke through was being held up for the last couple of months in September, all the way down since the beginning of September. So the entire month, we are now no longer in this range of resistance. We just skyrocketed right back out. It was like a tease. You know how they have bull traps? Perhaps this was a bull trap right here. Well, this was a bear trap. Okay, so where are we gonna go after this? I really don't know. But obviously there's gonna be a regression sooner or later. And if we actually look at the history of Bitcoin, if we try to zoom back down, maybe we can, analyze where we could possibly be here. It looks quite similar. Oh my god, if I could just freaking use this correctly. It looks quite similar to some jumps that we had back here in the original market, as you can see, like right around here, right up here, etc. Just it's quite self-explanatory that the cycle's repeating itself for the time being. So, is this news that should be that should be the reason behind all this? Quite possibly. As you know, China has the biggest population in the entire world. Obviously, lots of financial money that's capable of being put into the blockchain of cryptocurrencies. So quite frankly, this could have played a big part in it. But then, like I said a couple hours ago, we recently had this last big pump, which, I mean, in my opinion, is mostly big whales that are coming back into the space. And they saw an all-time low, and then they just took it, and now they just skyrocketed right back up to where it is now. So yeah, this was just really unexpected and out of nowhere. So, yeah, I think this is something that we can be a little bit excited for, but whatever you do, don't just instantly go out and drop 100 buy orders for for Bitcoin right now just because of this. I would have to say I would wait another 24 hours to see just what is going on around here. There's been lots of low volume going on in Bitcoin as of recently. So I mean, there's been lots of these low volume movements, as we can see right here, these boxy movements. That's been pretty much the whole course of cryptocurrency. So we might just, take another flat sideways market for a little bit after this. So yeah, until I get more news or information about what's going on, I guess I'll leave this video off at there. And yeah, just a short video update for the crypto realm. If you are brand new to this random channel on the internet and you don't know who I am, well, you can find out by kindly and politely annihilating the little red button about 2 inches below this screen, and I'll see everyone in the next cryptocurrency video.